Yo, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today we've got, oh, hang on one sec. Hello? Hey, what's up, Philip? The car's ready. Dude, awesome, we'll be right there. Well, that was a great part of our intro, not planned at all, but today we are actually headed over to Aeroworks to pick up the Civic Type R. So we're super excited to show you guys the new wrap and get started on installing the newest carbon fiber program. So let's head over to Walnut, California and pick up our car from Aeroworks. All right guys, let's get Augie. We're gonna get some drivers. We're about to hop in the Tesla Model Y. And hey Augie. Yo, eating lunch? Just finished?
Just wrapped up. What's going on?
Guess what's ready?
The Type R's ready.
Civic Type R, brother. Let's go pick it up. All right, see you, losers. That's sweet, dude. Oh, it's a Volkswagen engine. It's not an S1. And it's still beamed? Dude, that's so cool. So if you guys don't know, I have an extensive background in off-road and wearing funny things on my hat. But that was pretty sweet. Just recently I went to Sand Sport Super Show at the Costa Mesa Fairgrounds. Meet up with some of the buddies, and actually we're gonna shoot this gap real quick. But yeah, off-road definitely is one of the things I'm passionate about and have a lot of fun with outside of BMWs and road cars. Traffic. Alright, so we're here at Aeroworks, home of the wraps, home of the Adro curated wrap. Everybody asked our color, but sorry guys, we can't give out that information. So as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, we're headed over here picking up the Civic Type R. We'll give you a sneak peek. It's somewhere around here, but first let's go ahead and track down Philip and see what he's up to and see if we can get a sneak peek of the car. So, what's up guys?
Hey, what's up?
Hello, James. Buddy. Oh, and the kitties don't let you hang out. So you know why I'm here?
Yeah. Civic Type R.
Civic Type R. Is it ready?
Yeah.
Cool.
Go check it out.
Guys, let's head back and see the progress we got going. I'm gonna block it real quick. One of our final kits for the G82 wide body program, Josh Ludwig out of Las Vegas. He has gone absolutely insane with this wrap, kind of having a Joker two-tone face to it. On this side, we've got gold and black to resemble the Vegas Golden Knights. And on the other side, we've got the M Performance colors as well. So it looks really cool. So go ahead and snap to the montage. Alright, so the time has come, dude. Thank you. Man, we got the Civic Type R. You guys got it done in record time for us. What, it was dropped off Tuesday?
So, yeah.
And here we are on Friday, so of course it is done in the Aeroworks / Adro curated color. It looks awesome on every single car, and this is what we've come to know for our signature lineup of cars that we're releasing this year. Super excited for this. It looks really good. Obviously the car does not have the kit on it. We're gonna head back to the HQ, but I do want to extend my deepest gratitude for you guys here at Aeroworks, you, Philip, the whole entire team, for pumping this out and getting it done in record time. So I really appreciate it, brother. Cool. So if you guys need anything, head over to Aeroworks, and they'll be more than happy to help you with PPF, wrap, of course, other vehicle modifications. So check them out on Instagram. So you've heard it from the man himself, James. They cranked it out for us. The Civic Type R is looking absolutely stunning. Philip, if you're watching this, we're sorry we missed you, but thank you to you and your team here at Aeroworks for getting this completed to us. And without further ado, I think it's time to get the heck out of here. So let's go for a little road trip. good. It looks proper. It's here at home at Adro HQ. We've got all the vehicles wrapped in the same curated color that we've got for this year. So let's go. I think it's the first time that Davis is going to see this car in person. So let's go grab him real quick and see what he thinks. We got something out in the shop to show you? Dude.
Shit.
I think you have a feeling you know what it is.
I think I know what it is.
Look at the
Oh, shit! Hey! Wow.
Part of the Adro family. It's so cool, isn't it?
Dude, that's so
It's
sick.
neat because the Tesla and this kind of match with the bronze wheel. It's
Dude, I swear it's the hardest thing ever.
It's missing something though, right?
But even without the kit, it looks so good.
Great.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's perfect. Especially with the bronze wheels.
I mean, I like the blue, but this is different level.
I mean, it's an Adro, right?
Yeah. Dude, Aeroworks pulled it off. Huh?
Tuesday to Friday, man. That's a quick turnaround.
It's very good quality, actually.
Yeah.
No, with all honesty, I know there's camera, but it looks amazing.
That's what we wanted, your honest feeling. So next up, guys, we are gonna get this in the bay. We're gonna get installing on the kit. Of course, simultaneously, we'll be doing this for YouTube, but we also have to film our installation guide. So we're gonna do front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, and the beautiful swan neck wing that you guys have not seen yet. So stay tuned. Next up, you're gonna see this up on the lift, and we're gonna get going on it.
Dude. So good.
Yeah, it's so good. It's so good.
Man.
Yep, yep.
Hey, it's about that time. Where are we heading today?
So we're on a little side quest today. We're going to World of Racing in Tustin, California. They have 2 locations, one in Tustin, one in Pasadena. We're going to do a little bit of sim racing. Today we've got a track where it's going to be Italian cars, Italian track. They still haven't released the details on it, but we'll see it when we get there.
Hey, I don't think you need your helmet though.
I'm taking my gloves. These little baby hands.
Some people take this a little bit too seriously.
Just, I want my hands to be comfortable.
Yeah, is your fireproof suit also in the car?
Yeah, you know, it might catch on fire because I'll be so hot on track.
Well, at least we're getting pizza.
Free pizza, that's right. That's right. All right, guys. Well, next up, you'll see us at World of Racing. All right, guys. So next up, you'll see us at World of Racing. So stay tuned and catch us sim racing.